In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an invoice from a quote in Xero projects. We'll turn an accepted quote into a customer invoice and send it out step by step while pointing out the key checks that keep your accounts accurate. Start on your Xero dashboard and open the sales area. This is your hub for customer documents. From there, we're going to quotes to see every quote in one place. To focus on work that's ready to bill, switch to the accepted view. This shows quotes your customer has already approved, so you can confidently move them forward without duplicating effort. Find the quote you want to invoice and tick its checkbox to select it. If your list is long, use the search bar or sort by date or customer to zero in on the right one. With the quote selected, choose Create Invoice. Xero brings across the items, quantities, and prices directly from the quote, saving you data entry and reducing errors. When prompted, confirm mark as invoiced. This keeps your quotes list tidy and prevents you from accidentally invoicing the same quote twice. Then click Create to open the new invoice. You're now on the invoice edit screen. First, set the due date to match your payment terms. Even if you use default terms, double check the date for deposits, retainers, or milestone work. Next, select the correct revenue account for each line item so income is recognized in the right place on your profit and loss. While you're reviewing, confirm tax rates, quantities, and prices, and tidy up descriptions if needed. It's also a good idea to update the reference or project field so the invoice clearly links back to the original quote. Take a moment to check the invoice date, currency, and branding theme to ensure they align with your normal customer communications. Once everything looks accurate, choose Approve an Email. Approving finalizes the invoice so it appears in Accounts Receivable and is ready to reconcile when payment arrives. The email window opens with your customer's details and a pre-filled message. Personalize the subject and body to add context, and make sure the recipient address is correct. If you have online payment options enabled, they'll be included automatically. Xero attaches a PDF copy of the invoice and a secure link so your customer can view it online. When you're happy with the message, click Send Email. Xero records that the invoice was sent and tracks activity, so you can see when it's been viewed. That's the full process. Go to Sales, open quotes, filter to accepted, select the quote, create the invoice, mark it as invoiced, set your due date and account, then approve and email. Follow these steps and you'll convert quotes to invoices quickly and accurately every time.